So you have a bunch of keywords that has to be changed at once, and you're wondering if you can do it quick by find a replace tool. Then I have good news for you. With the Google Ads Editor, you can easily find and replace those keywords. Um, Hello and welcome back to the Tracking Success channel. And today we're diving into quickly replacing keywords for your Google Ads account. So the first thing is that you have to download the Google Ads Editor. You can just search for Google Ads Editor and it pops up right here. Once you've downloaded and you've installed it, you go back to the editor. Then you have to import your account by clicking on accounts, and you will have to add your Google Ads account right here. Then you go to the keyword section. You can find it under manage. Just go to keywords. Then you will select every keyword you have that has to be replaced. And then you click on replace text. Replace text. So now we're gonna add the fields where you want to change the name of the keyword or what you want to do. In this case, we want to change the keyword. We want to change the text from tracking success without a space to tracking success with a space, like this, also like this. And then we're gonna see if it works. So here you have without space, and when you click on replace, as you can see, the keyword is now replaced with a space into it. You can replace the text with anything you want. So also it can be tracking success with testing. Just click on apply, replace, and now it says testing. Here you go. You now replaced all those keywords at once. And that's how to easily find and replace all your Google Ads keywords with the Google Ads Editor. Don't forget to set the changes live by clicking at check changes. And now it's going to check the changes. It probably gives some errors like this because I have a duplicate keyword. So I've changed everything. So now everything is good. I don't have any errors. And when you want to set the changes live, you just click on post. And here, when you click on post, select all campaigns. Here you can see created campaigns created, ad groups, keywords updated, everything. And then you just click on post, and then it will be live into your Google Ads. If you find this video useful, hit the thumbs up below the video. This way I can check what kind of videos you all like and what should I create in the future. If you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel. This was Tracking Success for now, and I'll see you in the next one.